Welcome back to our series all about creating a Wix website for your resort or accommodation business. Today is all about social proof, adding a guest review section where site users will be able to read real reviews to see if booking with your accommodation is worth it. Let's get started. You need a space to put your reviews on. You can use the one that came with your template. However, if you don't like it, you can change it and add a new section instead. So go to Add Section on the left and then go to the Testimonials category. Select a template or a layout that you like and then drag and drop it onto your page or wherever you'd like to put it. Say, for example, like that. And using the arrow buttons over here, move your section up or down depending on where you'd like to place it. I'm not going to be using this one. I'm just going to use the one that came with the template. So in order to edit its contents, click on the section and click on the Quick Edit button. Since this is a slide type, you can work on one slide at a time. So here you can edit what the title says, as well as the paragraph or the testimonials itself. It's important that you input just real testimonials over here from real people who have actually stayed on your accommodation or your property. If you have reviews from your pages in Facebook or from Google, then you can take the best ones and feature them right over here. So make sure to input that here. And once you're done working on the first slide, you can then move on to slide number 2 and do the same thing. Repeat the process for each and every slide that you have. But if in case you'd like a more interactive approach by importing your Google reviews onto Wix directly, then that's also better. So you can add just a blank section, move the section up or down depending on where you would like to place it. Add a title first. So I'm going to just copy the title for this section, Control plus C, and Control plus V it over here. And I'm also going to edit what it says and edit its alignment. Let's make sure that it's properly aligned. And then we're going to be adding an app from the app market. So let's go to the Add Apps button and we're going to look for testimonials. There are many you can choose from, but in my case, I will be using the Google Reviews app as it's very easy to set up. So we're going to click on Add to Site. And by the way, some apps that you're going to install would ask you for permissions first. Make sure to read each permission to see if you're okay with them. And if you're okay, click on Agree and Add. Once it's installed, it will automatically add a widget for you, just like this one. To set it up, click on it and click on Settings. And sometimes, depending on the app you choose, an app subscription may be required, just like in this case. There are free trial versions, though, which helps you decide whether you should continue using it or not, so you can also test out other apps. Anyway, simply type your business over here, especially if you already have a business set up on Google or Google Maps and you've got reviews there, so input it here and your reviews will automatically be imported and they'll be shown over here. If you don't have reviews yet, that's still okay. You can still gain reviews along the way as your business grows. Once you're done, make sure to click on Save to save your changes. And that's all for today. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video.